Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color names. Sky color, purple color, pink color, brown color, green color, red color, yellow color, orange color, black color. Now kids, let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, zod, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya. Now kids, let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya.